Hi, welcome to English Listening Practice. Today, we will listen to a story about a daily routine. My name is Anna. I am a student. I live in London. I want to tell you about my day. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I make my bed. At 7:30 a.m., I eat breakfast. I like to eat bread, eggs, and drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on my shirt, trousers, and shoes. I pack my bag for school. I leave my house at 8 a.m. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to school. I usually listen to music on the bus. School starts at 8:30 a.m. I go to my first class. I have English first. Then I have math, science, and history. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I usually eat a sandwich and some fruit. I drink water. Sometimes I eat salad. After lunch, I have more classes. I learn new things every day. I like my teachers. I ask questions and talk with my friends. School finishes at 3:30 p.m. I go home by bus. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes and coat. I wash my hands. I usually do my homework after school. I read books or write exercises. Sometimes I watch educational videos online. At 6 p.m., I help my mother in the kitchen. I cook, wash dishes, and clean the table. Dinner is at 7 p.m. I eat with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I have free time. I listen to music, watch TV, or read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. I take a shower at 9 p.m. I put on my pajamas. I go to bed at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. I do similar things every day. Thank you for listening. Repeat the story and practice your English every day.